Hi, good morning students. Open your science textbook. So, my dear students, today we are going to learn about our second lesson, plants living and surviving. Our second lesson is plants living and surviving. Our second lesson is what? Plants living and surviving. Okay, so my dear students, in your textbook one activity is given. Get started. Now we are discussing the get started. Okay, all of you observe your textbook. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Okay, fill in the blanks. Here some fill in the blanks are there. Correct the words. Okay, so here three type of answers is given. So which one is correct? Choose that one. Okay. First question. You see lotus plants. Where you see lotus plants, my dear students? In a pond, on a hill, in a pot. Tell me, answer my dear students, let's try. You see lotus plants. Where you see lotus plants? Very good. In a pond. Right. So, next question, my dear students. You see mango trees. You see mango trees in a pond, on a hill, in the plains. In the plains means on the ground. The plains means on the ground. Okay. So, you see mango trees in a pond? No. On a hill? No. Answer is in the plains. In the plains. Okay? Right. Next, observe the third question. You find coconut trees. Where you find coconut trees? Near seaside, on a hill, in a river. Identify the correct answer. You find coconut trees near seaside. Very good. Near seaside. Next, fourth question, my dear students. Rice plants give us. Rice plants give us. Rice plants give us food. Rice plants give us fiber. Rice plants give us firewood. So which one is correct? Very good. Rice plants give us food. Rice plants give us food. Okay. So this is get started. Okay. This activity is completed. Okay. So my dear students, in this lesson, in these plants living and surviving lesson. We learn about plants, how they surviving. We learn plants, the plants how they surviving in different conditions, in different conditions. So here surviving means living. Surviving means living. Okay, here surviving means what? Living. So, my dear students, let's start the lesson. Some plants grow on mountain slopes. Some plants grow on mountain slopes. And some plants grow on ocean beds. And some plants grow on desert. And some plants grow on river valleys. Okay? So in fact, plants grow everywhere. In fact, plants grow on everywhere. Okay? So my dear students, so plants differ from each other dependent on the surroundings where they grow. Depending on the surroundings where they grow. So for example, suppose plants grow on hilly areas. How they grow? Some plants grow underwater. How they grow? We can see differences. We can see differences. According to their location. According to their location, plants can be divided into some types. Plants can be divided into some types according to their location. Okay, my dear students. We can see some type of plants. We can see some type of plants. So first type of plant is terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants. Okay, it is the first type of plant. So here the word terrestrial means on land. The word terrestrial means on land. Okay, terrestrial means on land. So terrestrial plants means the plants grow on land. Okay, plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Okay, so what is terrestrial plants? Plants that grow. Plants that grow on land. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants. Okay, the plants that grow on land, the type of plants are called the terrestrial plants. So here some type of terrestrial plants are there. So first type of terrestrial plant is in hilly areas. First type of terrestrial plant is in hilly areas. This is the first type of terrestrial plant. Okay. So here in hilly areas, some plants are grown. Some plants are grown in hilly areas. Hilly areas means what? On the hills. Hilly areas means what? On the hills. So on the hills, it is generally cold. On the hills, it is generally cold. And the trees are tall and straight. The trees are tall and straight. And the hilly area trees have needle-like leaves. Okay? So the hilly area trees have needle-like leaves. Needle-like leaves. Okay? So needle leaves are there. For example of hilly area trees are one is pine. One is pine. And next second one is cedar. Cedar. And third one is fir. So these are the example of hilly area trees. Okay? These are the examples of hilly area trees. In these trees do not have flowers. So instead of flowers, it have bear cones. It have bear cones. Instead of flowers, it have bear cones. Okay? So bear cones means వాటిలో ఫ్లవర్స్ కి బదులుగా శంకు లాంటి నిర్మాణాలు అనేటువంటివి ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అట్లాగే నీడిల్ లైక్ లీవ్స్ ఎందుకు ఉంటాయి అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఇది మంచు ఎక్కువగా పడేటువంటి ప్రాంతాలలో వాటి యొక్క లీవ్స్ పైన మంచు పడ్డా కూడా ఆ మంచు అక్కడనే ఆగకుండా కిందికి పడిపోయేటట్లు వాటి యొక్క లీవ్స్ అనేటువంటివి నేచర్లో నీడిల్ లైక్ షేప్లో రావడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సెకండ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టెరెస్ట్రియల్ ప్లాంట్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేన్స్. So my dear students, the trees which grow on the plains, plain areas, we are also living on plain areas. So in the plain area, trees have lot of branches. In the plain area, trees have lot of branches. Okay, have you observed mango trees? Have you observed the mango trees? The mango tree have lot of branches. And also observe the banyan tree. So banyan tree also have lot of branches. And observe the peepal tree. So people also have lot of branches. Okay. So these type of trees have lot of branches and lot of leaves. So these type, for example, mango, banyan, peepal. These trees have lot of branches and a lot of green leaves are there. Okay. So this is the second type of terrestrial plant in the plains. So next, third type of terrestrial plant is in hot and damp areas. In hot and damp areas. So in hot and damp area, trees have lot of leaves. In hot and damp area, trees have lot of leaves. Okay. So these leaves do not shade in winter. These leaves do not shade in winter. So here shade means do not fall down leaves. Shade means what? Do not fall down leaves. Okay. So for example of hot and damp area trees, one is the coconut tree. One is the coconut tree. And second one is pepper tree. Second one is what? Pepper tree. And third one is rubber. So and next rubber plant. And next one tea plant, coffee plants, sugar cane plant, rice plants, cotton plants. So these trees and plants grow in hot and damp areas. Okay. So these trees and these plants grow hot and damp areas. These trees and plants have leaves. Okay. So they all belongs to hot and damp area trees and plants. So these are all belongs to hot and damp area plants and trees. Okay. So next, fourth type of terrestrial plants is in desert plants. Okay, in desert plants. So my dear students, in the desert plants, most of the plants grow do not leaves. Most of the plants grow do not leaves. So here spines are there. Here spines are there instead of leaves. Here spines are there instead of leaves. Spines means mullulu. Okay. So everybody know cactus. Everybody know cactus. Cactus. So here observe the diagram. So cactus have spines. Cactus have spines instead of leaves. Spines. Okay. So here we can see the cactus. You can see the cactus. These cactus have lot of spines are there. In this cactus have lot of spines. చాలా ముళ్ళులు అనేటువంటివి ఉన్నాయి దీనిపైన. లీవ్స్ కి బదులుగా ముళ్ళులు అనేటువంటివి ఉన్నాయి. So why the spines cactus have instead of leaves? మరి ఇక్కడ లీవ్స్ కి బదులుగా ముళ్ళులు అనేటువంటివి ఎందుకు ఉన్నాయి అంటే because the spines prevent the loss of water. The spines prevent the loss of water. ఎందుకంటే వీటి యొక్క స్టెమ్ అనేది ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో వాటర్ని స్టోర్ చేసుకొని ఉంటుంది. దీంట్లో స్టోర్ అయినటువంటి వాటర్ లాస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే వాటికి పైన అన్ని కూడా స్పైన్స్ అనేటువంటివి ముళ్ళులు అనేటువంటివి ఉండడం జరిగింది. సో స్పైన్స్ ఆర్ యూస్ టు ప్రివెంట్ ద లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. స్పైన్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఎందుకు ఉంటాయి అంటే దానిలో నుంచి వాటర్ లాస్ కాకుండా ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ క్యాక్టస్ డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ లీవ్స్. ఈ క్యాక్టస్ కి లీవ్స్ అనేటువంటివి లేవు. అప్పుడు ఒక డౌట్ వస్తుంది, లీవ్స్ లేవు కదా మరి ఎట్లా ఫుడ్ తయారు చేసుకుంటుంది? ద ఫుడ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లాంట్ ఈజ్ లీవ్స్ కదా, మరి దీనికి లేదు ఎట్లా తయారు చేసుకుంటుంది అంటే సో దీస్ క్యాక్టస్ హ్యావ్ గ్రీన్ స్టెమ్. దీనికి ఏముంది? గ్రీన్ స్టెమ్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఉండడం జరిగింది. ఈ గ్రీన్ స్టెమ్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయంటే వీటిలో క్లోరోఫిల్ ఉంటుంది. గ్రీన్ స్టెమ్లో క్లోరోఫిల్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ గ్రీన్ స్టెమ్సే అక్కడ ఫుడ్ తయారు చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. అట్లాగే వాటర్ని స్టోర్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫిఫ్త్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ terrestrial plant is in marshy areas. In marshy areas, we can see West Bengal. In that area, the soil is clay and sticky. Okay, the West Bengal, in that area, the soil is clay and sticky. That's why the plants grow here. Special features develop in them. That's why the plants special features develop in them. So the special features are called mangroves. The special features are called mangroves. So here the roots do not get air. The roots do not get air as the soil is sticky and clay. So the soil is covered with water. So the soil is covered with water. So the roots grow out of the soil. Then the roots grow out of the soil and the water to breathe. And water to breathe. So such roots are called breathing roots. Okay, the mangroves have special type of roots are there. So the type of roots are called breathing roots. The type of roots are called breathing roots. So these are the terrestrial plants. There are 5 types of terrestrial plants are there. Okay, so once again I explain these type of terrestrial plants. There are 5 types of terrestrial plants are there. One is the in hilly area trees, and second one is in the plain area trees, and third one in the hot and damp area trees, and fourth one in desert plants, and fifth one in marshy area trees. Okay, so these are the 5 types of the terrestrial plants. In the hilly area trees, some plants are grow on the hilly area, so it have the special structures are there. The special structures the flowers, instead of flowers, it have beer cones, and it have needle like leaves. For example, pine, cedar and fir, examples of the hilly area trees. So the next second type of terrestrial plant is in the plain trees. In the plain trees means on the ground. Okay, so these type of trees have lot of branches and lot of leaves are there. Okay, lot of branches and lot of leaves are there. So for example of terrestrial plant in the plain trees, mango, banyan tree and peepal. Okay, these are the examples. Then next, in hot and damp area trees. In hot and damp area trees, it have lot of leaves. It have lot of leaves. Okay, so these leaves do not shade in winter. Okay, these leaves do not shade in winter. For example, coconut tree, pepper tree. Okay, so rubber plant, tea plant, coffee plant, sugar plant, and next rice plant and cotton plant. These are the example of hot and damp area trees. The next fourth one in desert plants. In desert plants do not have leaves. Do not have leaves. So instead of leaves, it has spines are there. So example is cactus. Cactus do not have leaves. The next fifth type of terrestrial plant is in marshy area trees. In marshy area trees have special breathing roots are there. Special breathing roots are there. The example of the marshy area trees mangroves. Okay, so this type of trees we are observed in the West Bengal in that area. Okay, so this is our first topic, terrestrial plants. Okay, all of you understand, my dear students? Okay, right, bye.